Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless electric screwdriver sets that you can grab right now. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a tech repair guru, or just someone looking to tighten a few screws around the house, we've got you covered. So let's not waste any time. Let's count down from number 5 to the top pick that truly stands out. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Glacok S6 Max cordless electric screwdriver set. The Glacok S6 Max cordless electric screwdriver set is a versatile tool designed for both simple and complex repair tasks. With a user-friendly interface, it features gear, LED display buttons, allowing users to easily switch between 5 different gears with a light press. For added functionality, a press and hold action activates the LED light, ensuring enhanced visibility in low-light environments. Included in the set are 42 high-quality S2 steel bits, known for their durability and precision. The bits are designed for various repair tasks, with long bits measuring 39 mm for complex repairs and shorter 28 mm bits suited for daily use. Made from 99.9% screw-fit 60 HRCS2 steel, these bits offer excellent longevity and performance, making them ideal for intricate tasks that demand precision. The Glacok S6 Max features an aluminum alloy case that is not only sturdy but also incorporates a press-to-pop-out mechanism, adding a touch of convenience and modern design. When the LED light is activated, it illuminates the work area, ensuring the screw is properly aligned with the hole, aiding users in maintaining precision during repairs. Charging the screwdriver is hassle-free thanks to its universal Type-C port. Compatible with most chargers, this feature makes recharging the device a simple and convenient task. The Glacok S6 Max is built for precision electric screwdriver needs, making it an excellent tool for detailed repairs. Whether you're tackling everyday maintenance or more intricate jobs, this cordless screwdriver set offers the right balance of power, convenience, and performance. Coming in at number 4, we have the Vman cordless electric screwdriver set. The Vman cordless electric screwdriver set is a versatile and compact tool that stands out as a must-have in any repair toolkit. With its 156-in-1 mini screwdriver set, this tool delivers both power and practicality, making it an ideal choice for users looking for a portable and efficient solution for various repair tasks. Designed with convenience in mind, the Vman screwdriver set is compact and lightweight, ensuring easy portability. Its sleek and delicate appearance allows you to fit it comfortably in your pocket or toolkit, giving you the flexibility to tackle a range of tightening and removal jobs anytime, anywhere. Powered by a 3.7V high-quality power supply, this electric screwdriver ensures voltage stability, offering reliable performance when you need it most. The intelligent magnetic design of the screwdriver head enhances usability, as it magnetizes to easily absorb screws, simplifying your repair work and improving efficiency. The ergonomic handle of the Vman screwdriver is designed for comfort, reducing the fatigue that can come with extended use. Whether you're working on small appliances, laptops, mobile phones, or cameras, the tool's ergonomic grip makes it easier to hold, ensuring a more enjoyable experience during repairs. With 140 different screwdriver heads, the Vman set provides a comprehensive solution for all your repair needs. Its wide variety of head sizes and specifications ensures that you have the right tool for almost any job, making it a one-stop repair solution for all your electronics and small appliance projects. At number 3, the Arrowmax SES Nano cordless electric screwdriver set. The Arrowmax SES Nano cordless electric screwdriver set is a compact and efficient tool designed to make screwdriving tasks easier, faster, and more precise. Ideal for a variety of applications, the SES Nano offers 5 versatile torque modes that allow users to select the perfect setting for their needs, whether working on delicate electronics or heavy-duty furniture. Crafted from precision CNC aluminum, the SES Nano is not only sleek but also lightweight and durable, ensuring a comfortable grip and long-lasting performance. Its design makes it easy to handle, even during extended use, without sacrificing power or functionality. One of the standout features of the SES Nano is its innovative LED lighting system. Equipped with 4 shadowless LED lights, this screwdriver ensures excellent visibility in low-light conditions, making it perfect for intricate tasks where precision is key. This enhanced illumination allows users to work with confidence and accuracy, even in hard-to-reach areas. The SES Nano is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a Type-C charging port for fast and universal charging. This modern charging solution ensures your screwdriver is always ready for use, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. Included with the SES Nano is an extensive set of 59 bits, including Phillips, Star, and nut drivers. This diverse selection provides everything needed for a wide range of repair scenarios, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. With its combination of durability, precision, and innovative features, the Arrowmax SES Nano cordless electric screwdriver set is a reliable tool that meets the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In the second spot, we have the Jakemy JM-8193 cordless electric screwdriver set. The Jakemy JM-8193 cordless electric screwdriver set is designed to meet a wide range of needs, from simple home repairs to complex professional mechanical maintenance. One of its standout features is its innovative design that departs from the traditional, bulky toolbox. By incorporating a high-volume container, the toolkit maximizes space to house a variety of screwdrivers and accessories, all in a compact and efficient package. The tool's modern, sophisticated design ensures a comfortable handheld experience, enhancing usability during extended tasks. Instead of the usual squared-off toolbox shape, the JM-8193 introduces a more contemporary and user-friendly form that fits seamlessly into the hands of both beginners and professionals alike. A particularly unique feature of this screwdriver set is its hand toggle action. When activated, the tool produces a satisfying pop sound, adding a playful yet functional element to the user experience. This sound, while serving as a confirmation of action, also opens up additional interactive possibilities, making the tool feel more engaging and enjoyable to use. Whether you're disassembling electronics or installing fixtures, the Jakemy JM-8193 is versatile enough to handle various tasks with ease. Its straightforward design eliminates the need for a power switch, as it activates with the press of any button. Additionally, to conserve battery life, the tool automatically powers down after 60 seconds of inactivity. Overall, the Jakemy JM-8193 cordless electric screwdriver set is an essential addition to any toolkit, offering both practicality and an enhanced, modern design for users at all skill levels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fanttik Nex S1 Pro cordless electric screwdriver set. The Fanttik Nex S1 Pro cordless electric screwdriver set is a versatile and high-performing tool designed for various DIY tasks and repairs. This electric screwdriver offers impressive torque levels with a range of 1.5, 3, and 4.2 Nm, and can reach a maximum hard torque of 6 Nm, along with a manual torque of 8 Nm. Its innovative design ensures that the screwdriver stops immediately when the finger lifts off the trigger, making it both efficient and safe for use. Ideal for assembly and repair tasks such as furniture assembly, air conditioners, faucets, socket boards, and desktops, the Nex S1 Pro is equipped with a range of 14 metal bits in 5 different categories. The bits are crafted from S2 hardened steel, providing durability and reliability for long-term use. The set is perfect for users who want a well-rounded tool for various household repairs. To keep everything organized and accessible, the screwdriver and its 14 bits are housed in a magnetic aluminum alloy case. This case features a pop-up mechanism that provides a satisfying opening and closing experience, while the magnetic chuck and bits make attachment easy and secure. The Nex S1 Pro is powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can drive up to 340 screws on a full charge. The inclusion of a USB Type-C charging port facing outward ensures easy access for charging, while the intuitive power indicator on the bottom of the screwdriver lets you monitor the remaining battery life. Included in the box are the powerful electric screwdriver, a storage case, 14 precision bits, a USB Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. This set combines power, convenience, and organization, making it a great addition to any toolkit for home repairs and maintenance.